Hey there, this video as mentioned in the title is for some studying for tomorrow's test. The easiest part to remember is the cell membrane, that flesh equivalent for the cell. This boy holds the cytoplasm and organelles in and the water. So basically its structure is made of two layers of phospholipids, which phospholipids are just lipids with phosphorus. This membraney boy protects all the stuff inside the cell and it controls materials like water and oxygen. We're done with the membrane, now onto the cytoplasm. It's just some jelly-like substance that holds all the organelles in place inside the cell. That's pretty much it. Okay, slick, now let's move on to the lysosomes. These meatball-looking guys are digestive boys, and they break down worn-out or damaged organelles, keeping the cell clean, so yeah, that's almost all that they do, lol. They attach to the vacuole in the cell and release some digestive enzymes into it, and they usually get recycled and reused. So the Golgi complex is that purpley liquidy looking glob. It packages and distributes materials like proteins that beef the cell up. It's just a lot of flattened membrane sacs. Also lipids and proteins are brought from the endoplasmic reticulum to the Golgi blob, where they're sent to do the jobs they do. Now we're on the mitochondrion, that kidney-looking buddy. They use this thingy called cellular respiration, where oxygen is used to release energy stored in food, which is pretty dang cool, winking face. These blue kidneys transfer the energy that just got released from some sugars to a molecule, which is two atoms bonded, called adenosine triphosphate or ATP. The cell uses ATP to do cell processes. Done with the blue kidney now. Next up is the nucleus, that thick ball in the center of the cell. This thick ball has DNA inside it, and that basically controls the entire cell, so that's it for the nucleus. Now it's time for the ER, not the emergency room, just the endoplasmic reticulum. This membrane over here is a system with which it assists production, processing, and transport of proteins, the molecule that repairs and builds body structure, and with lipids, also the dudes who are fat molecules that don't mix with water. They also store energy that organelles can use when they need it. It's either smooth or rough. Where the rough has ribosomes, the smooth doesn't. Smooth part breaks down toxic materials that can damage the cell. Rough part has ribosomes attached to the membrane. The ribosomes make many proteins which move through the ER and to the brain cell. Cytoskeleton is a skeletal-like structure made of a network of protein filaments that gives shape and support to cells. It's also involved with cell division and in movement. Cell wall. The cell wall is a rigid boy that surrounds the membrane. This guy provides support around his cell and protection, kinda like a skeleton. We're on chloroplast, aka coin pouch. Basically this buddy uses sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to do photosynthesis. Photosynthesis results in oxygen and sugars. Part of chloroplast, called chlorophyll, absorbs energy in sunlight, which makes the sugars, which is used by mitochondria to make ATP. This mega thick bean sac holds nutrients for the cell, water, and enzymes. Mega thick bean sac does is hold the nutrients for the cell. That's all, bye.